Jalar kom jatend Kenya gi otiko mar Agano Party oseojo siasa mag Kenya Kwanza kod Azimio la Umoja. Mwacho ni kiro weche moko ma ok dhi kare kinde campaign.
Mwaure bende dwaro ni jatend Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta osingne jo Kenya ni ok obidonjore yiero mawang'ni.
Ote mar Mwaure bende osir gi jalupne Ruth Mutua.
We wish to denounce in the strongest terms possible the danger and likely violence that the two alleged big formations Azimio la Umoja and Kenya Kwanza are fanning by their conduct, utterances and chain-snapping to the extent of alleging that a given coalition has already won the elections. The facts are that the voting is not yet. We have not voted, nor has IBC counted and announced who the winner is. We are telling these parties and our competitors to stop working on the emotions and psyches of Kenyans. We are calling on them to stop these utterances, as some Kenyans may conclude that the elections are rigged if their presumed candidates are not announced the winner.
To IBC, the buck stops with you. Previous acts of violence have taken place because IBC was not transparent, or bungled the election, or agreed to be coerced and threatened. IBC, be firm and steadfast.